Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Baljit. In this video we are going to change sand and pool sand filter. I have a here we have a sand inside. Actually we have replaced the sand already. Originally issue was sand was going back in pool, so we are going to take the sand out, inspect all the filters inside and make sure none of is broken or any way the sand escaping going back in pool. So this video will help you with the two things: if you getting sand in your pool or you are going to add new sand in this filter, we'll follow step how you can replace sand. You need a shop vac, wet and dry, to pull the sand out, and couple more tools. If we have to replace filters, then you have to order pre-filter according to the model. In my case, I have a cap and air bleeder on the top, wash down filter and circulation valve on the side. And step one, you have to shut down circulation pump, and there is a drain cap at the bottom. You need to drain cap so you can drain all the water inside. I have it done already a couple hours ago, so we can save our time. Now we are going to take the top off, then we will take his sand out with the shop vacuum. Then we will inspect all the filter. Anything need to be changed, we'll change. Then we will put sand back. In your case, you're gonna take the sand out if you're putting new sand, and then once you're done with everything, you're gonna put new sand inside. The top cover is off, and here's the sand inside. That's a special sand you have to buy from pool supply. It's not the regular sand, it's made for the pool. This specific tank takes 600 pound. Now let's start taking off all the sand out. We pulled one canister. We're gonna pull like this and save it here. So now, following this same method, we will keep removing all the sand until our tank is empty. We pulled all the sand with the vacuum, and yes, I'm going to remove all the filters, inspect one by one. If there is any filter broken, I will replace. I believe there is also another issue in our case. Here's supposed to be small filter, but there is no filter. So we will figure it out what we're gonna do with this one. So I have all the filters out. I'm going to wash them out and inspect really close to take a look if there's any groove or broken or anything. Possibly sand can escape through. If any filter is bad, I will replace. We have order and we got some already. So I have inspected all the filters. There was one I have a doubt on it, so I put a new one. I washed out, put it back, just hand tight, and now I'm ready to put sand in. But in my case, I'm 100% positive we have this air bleeding tubing. It was missing a filter at the front, so I have added one. The one we ordered for this specific model, it does not fit. Maybe we ordered wrong one or they sent wrong one. I will order later in the future. We will change, but this time this one is really steady, is not coming out. So we're gonna leave it like that, and we're gonna start filling with the sand. As we add sand inside, there is a process like wash down, rinse. We will follow the process, and we are ready to put sand in now. Now we are ready to put it back. I will put some silicone, this lubrication, and we'll put it back. We put this cover back. Now we're ready to start the process. Here, this handle, we are going to move on wet backwash. We push this handle down really hard and move to backwash, and now we will turn pump on. Pump is on. When you do the backwash or wash down mode, the water have to come through here. Basically, we are washing new sand. All the fine sand and the dirt from the sand will be come out. You can run as long as 10 minutes or just wait until the water get clear. It's been 10 minutes already. My water is clean. The next part, we're gonna turn pump off, and we will do on rinse mode. for 2 minutes, then we will turn back on and filter mode. For rinse mode, same thing, we're gonna push, bring it here to the rinse. Then now we'll turn pump back again for 2 minutes. In my system, I just click on F. I'll take a couple seconds and pump will start on. Right now it's on rinsing mode, and you can see the water is really clear as the water coming from the pool. I will leave it for 2 minutes, then we will put back on filter mode and turn pump on. Rinse mode, 2 minutes already. We just turn off pump. And now we are going to put back on filter mode and be ready to enjoy our pool. Push this handle all the way down, bring back to the filter mode, and then now we will turn pump on. In case in filter mode you don't see any water circulation on the pump, then you might need to bleed out some air. With that, we have fixed our sand leaking inside the pool, plus we have replaced the new sand. Hopefully this video will help you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video with a new topic.